Understanding Mangrove Swamps, a journey into nature's marvel. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of the English language. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: mangrove swamps. This phrase not only paints a vivid picture of a unique ecosystem but also enriches our understanding of nature. Let's embark on this journey together. Mangrove swamps are coastal wetlands found in tropical and subtropical regions. They are characterized by mangrove trees, which are salt-tolerant and have complex root systems. These roots, often visible above water, provide a stable habitat for various marine species. Understanding this term involves recognizing both the biological and geographical aspects it entails. Mangrove swamps play a crucial role in the environment. They act as natural barriers protecting coastlines from erosion and storm surges. Additionally, they are vital for carbon sequestration, helping in the fight against climate change. Mangroves are also biodiversity hotspots, supporting a rich variety of life, including many fish and bird species. Mangrove swamps face threats from urban development, pollution, and climate change. Understanding the importance of these ecosystems can foster a sense of responsibility for their conservation. They are not just swamps but are lifelines for coastal communities and vital players in our planet's health. Mangroves have a place in various cultures and societies. They are often featured in literature and art, symbolizing resilience and adaptability. In some communities, mangroves are integral to the local economy, providing resources for fishing and tourism. We hope this journey into the world of mangrove swamps has been enlightening. These ecosystems are more than just a phrase in English. They represent a critical and fascinating part of our natural world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you.